Today we're making yuca con mojo. This is a Caribbean style boiled yuca with a super flavorful garlic sauce. It's one of those dishes that I didn't really learn to appreciate until I was an adult, and now that we're here, I'm completely obsessed with it and can't stop making it. So let me show you how I make it. So the base of this dish is 2 pounds of yuca, and you can either use fresh or frozen yuca. If you've dealt with this vegetable before, you know that peeling it does require a little bit of effort, so I like to use the frozen version just because it is already pre-peeled and cut and ready to go. But you can check out my blog post for instructions on how to peel that if all you can find is fresh. And from there, you'll bring some well-salted water to a boil before adding in our cut yuca. And the main difference between using fresh and frozen yuca is just the cook time required. I found that using fresh yuca actually can take a little bit of more time to cook through, so just keep an eye on it and cook until the vegetable is fork tender. I've found that this can take anywhere from about 10 to 20 minutes. So again, just keep a fork nearby and just poke at the vegetable until it's fully fork tender. At this point, you can drain all of that water and let the yuca cool a little bit before going in and dividing the pieces in half like this. This is a really important step because if you've worked with yuca before, you know it has this fibrous core on the inside. This is completely inedible and super hard and difficult to chew through, so it's really important that you remove this before we move on with the recipe. You want to go through every single piece and make sure you've taken all of that core out. Sometimes it comes out in one easy to remove piece, but other times it breaks into several smaller pieces. So just take your time here and make sure that you've got all of it. Also really important to let this cool a little bit because if you go right in straight after it's boiled, it's really hot. So once all of that is removed, we're ready to make our mojo sauce. So this starts with some olive oil in a pan, and to that we are going in with a generous amount of minced garlic. This is the main flavor profile of this sauce, so don't be shy here. And then I'm also adding adobo seasoning, a red onion, and then some lime juice and cilantro. You're gonna mix all of this together and cook on medium-low heat. We don't want the heat to be too high where the garlic burns, but we do want to get these onions softened up a little bit and get the essence of these flavors really infused into that oil and lime juice mixture. Another really signature part of this recipe is the pink onions, which happens to the red onions when they are cooked in this lime juice. It's kind of similar to like a pickled onion situation where you get that bright pink color. So I like to cook these until I start to notice the onions turning pink in color. And at that point, you know that you're ready to start adding in your boiled yuca. So we'll add all of that into our pan. You could also just do this in a bowl if it's easier for you to toss everything together there. At this point, I also like to turn off the heat and just mix everything together until the yuca is well coated in that sauce. You can see here the adobo seasoning really is adding a lot of color to this dish, as well as all of that delicious flavor from the garlic and the lime and the onion. I like to also go in at the end and just taste to see if I want to add any more salt or lime juice, which I usually do because I'm just addicted to those flavors. But yeah, at this point you are ready to serve this up and enjoy. I like to garnish with a little bit of extra fresh cilantro, and that is all. If you give this a try, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you thought. Thanks for being here and buen provecho.